In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize your HubSpot dashboards. HubSpot dashboards are incredibly valuable tools for consolidating your key performance indicators and other critical information into one cohesive and easily accessible space. Whether you're looking to visualize sales data, monitor customer interactions, or track marketing metrics, setting up a dashboard can enhance your insights and decision-making. Let's dive right into it. To get started with creating a new dashboard, navigate to the Reports section and select Dashboards in your HubSpot account. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new dashboard. Simply click on Create Dashboard. You can choose a template to give you a starting point, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer more control over the layout. Naming your dashboard and setting user permissions at this stage is crucial, as it determines who can access and interact with the dashboard. Once you have all these set, just click Create Dashboard to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to add reports to your dashboard. Click on Add Report, and you can select from existing HubSpot reports or opt to create new ones. HubSpot offers various types of reports like charts, tables, or lists, which you can customize with specific metrics, filters, and date ranges that suit your needs. When you're satisfied with the customization, save the report and add it to your dashboard for easy viewing. Now, let's talk about customizing the dashboard layout. This is where you can make your dashboard truly yours. You can resize and reorder reports by simply dragging and dropping them according to your preference. If you need to organize your information better, you can add sections and text boxes to provide context or additional notes. Applying filters can help you narrow down the data you display, making your reports more focused and useful. Moreover, adjusting report settings lets you tweak the appearance, decide on metrics to showcase, and set date ranges for each specific report. Another neat feature is the ability to add images and videos, offering a visual context or instructions that can enrich the data presentation. Managing dashboard settings is crucial as your team grows or changes. You can clone dashboards to create similar ones for different purposes effortlessly. Changing ownership and permissions helps ensure the right people have the right access. If you have a frequently used dashboard, consider setting it as your default view, so it shows up first whenever you navigate to your dashboard page. And don't forget, you can delete dashboards no longer needed to keep everything organized. Automation is a powerful aspect of HubSpot dashboards. Schedule regular dashboard emails to keep your team informed at set intervals without lifting a finger. Setting up alerts is invaluable for real-time monitoring. Receive notifications whenever certain metrics hit specific thresholds. Remember to use filters to adjust date ranges, helping you focus on performance over selected periods. Lastly, take full advantage of the HubSpot mobile app to access your dashboards anywhere. You can review and adjust these dashboards on the go and make quick changes to date ranges or other report settings when needed. By following these steps, you'll not only create and customize HubSpot dashboards tailored to your business needs, but also ensure you're equipped with valuable insights to track performance and achieve your goals effectively.